Hello, everybody. I warmly welcome you to this IPEN Gender training course on women and chemicals. My name is Johanna Hausmann, and I'm based in Munich in the southern part of Germany. I'm a political scientist, and I'm working with WCF, Women Engage for a Common Future, a network of 150 organizations stretching over 50 countries, and a partner organization of the IPEN network. WCF has now for more than 25 years been working on issues related to environment and health, specifically with the priority on women, taking into account the gender aspect. Among other subjects, we are looking at hazardous chemicals and waste and their impact on women's health, and in this field on topics such as women as consumers, women in the workplace, and women in rural areas working with pesticides and waste. We, for example, undertake scoping studies in the field, raise awareness on the ground, and build capacity, and bring women's experiences, knowledge, and needs to the political agenda. There, on national, European, and international level, we push for mainstreaming gender in policy processes on chemicals and their outcomes to achieve better protection from toxins also for women. But why is it now so important to put our attention on the topic of gender and chemicals? Did you know that sex and gender have a great influence on an individual's vulnerability to chemicals? Did you know that women store more environmental pollutants because they bioaccumulate in fat tissue? Did you know that poor people carry multiple burdens of exposure to harmful chemicals and waste? And the majority of them are women. Meanwhile, we have enough knowledge that women are more disproportionately impacted by exposure to chemicals and waste. However, this specific problem is widely underexplored and still faces too little attention by policymakers, scientists, and civil society. Therefore, I decided to focus this course primarily on the linkage between women and chemicals, but always with the awareness that gender, of course, includes men, women, and intersex people. I personally believe in the power of women's ability to be agents of change. Women have a vital role in environmental management and development, and therefore women's full participation is essential in order to achieve sustainable development. The ultimate vision, of course, is to eliminate all dangerous chemicals to protect everyone from their negative impact and to create a toxic-free future. I really would like to encourage you to support this battle against the absolutely unnecessary poisoning of human beings and our beautiful planet. But I guess it will be a marathon rather than a sprint to achieve this, but we'll take it step by step. This course could be one of the first steps, building awareness on the complex issue of chemicals and women. So what will you learn? The first part of the training provides you with some basics about chemicals and why women's health is generally impacted differently from hazardous chemicals than men's. In the second part, we will see where women are exposed to harmful chemicals due to their social roles as consumers at home and at workplace. We will also focus on women being agents of change and what is needed on a political and social level to achieve more chemical safety for women in all genders. After each module, you will be required to take a short quiz to test what you have learned. Once you take the last quiz, please give us your feedback through the feedback form. And when you have finished everything, you will receive a certificate of participation. And now enjoy our course.